So once again, good morning, students. So as we have already completed all the topic on the on anatomy syllabus, so today we will be discussing about the sensory system, that is the sensory organs. We will revise this topic one more time again. So we will discuss about the sensory organs or else the sensory system. So if I say sensory system or the sensory organs, what comes to your mind if I say this? Anyone? Bubbly, can you say? Bubbly? Bubbly? Misha Modi, can you please say?
Yes,
Misha?
ma'am.
हाँ, can you please say? If I say, अगर मैं ये सेंसरी सिस्टम या सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स बोलने से तुम्हारा दिमाग में क्या आता है?
मैम जो हम लोग देख सकते हैं और टच कर सकते हैं
देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं और कुछ
और टेस्ट कर सकते हैं।
टेस्ट कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, टाइटस कुछ और इंक्लूड करना चाहते हो? Would you like to include some more points, Titus? Titus. Yes? Say, share with us. What happened? Am I not audible, Titus? Okay, Mayborn said it. Mayborn. Mayborn. Mayborn.
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
About what, ma'am?
About the sensory system or else the sensory organs. If I say this term, what comes to your mind if I say this?
Uh, those organs that we can use to sense things, ma'am.
Sense things like, say, for example,
Like the skin, when something touches the skin, we can sense it. Like the mouth, when we taste, when we sense something, when we eat.
anything else?
And the nose, ma'am, when we smell something.
Okay. Okay, then. So the sensory system or the sensory organs, basically it means what? With the help of this, we can sense something which is occurring around us. All right, means the environment. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so let us discuss. So the sensory system, it is mostly dealing with the nervous system. We have already discussed the nervous system in the previous class. So the nervous system is mainly responsible for this. All right. And with the help of the nervous system, we can sense. Like, say, for example, the things which is occurring inside the environment as well as outside the environment. If I say in internal environments, means inside the environment, means what? Means which is occurring within you means inside your body. Understand? Say for example, you are having headache or a stomach ache, right? And so on. So these are the internal things which is occurring in your body. And external environment, as you have already said, like you can sense by seeing, by just viewing the things which is occurring around you, and you can sense with the help of your nose whether it's a good bad smell or and so on. Is it clear about this portion? And also the sensory system, it helps, I mean it deals, or else you can say it coordinate with the muscle, I mean with your muscle movement, right? So it is about this. And with the help of this sensation, that is your sensory system, there are some neurons. We have already discussed neurons also in the previous class, that is in the nervous system. We have already discussed about the neurons also. So these neurons also, with the help of these neurons, you are able to feel, the touch, and as well as balance in everything, like hearing, smelling, everything, the taste, which we can, with the help of the tongue, and the smell with the help of your nose, then hearing, vision, and so on. Is it okay? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Amish? Amish? Is it clear, Amish? I think Amish had joined. Amish? Amish, am I audible? Okay, so this is about the first. Next is sensation receptors. So, sensation receptors, what does it mean? In this sensation receptors, the neurons, all right, which you will see in the nervous system, the neurons are mainly responsible for this sensation receptors. And the neurons, what do? They, I have already said that there are numerous neurons in the nervous system. So one neuron and the another neuron, when they collide each other, or else when they interact with each other, what happens? Some synapse will occur. All right, means what? Means one neuron and the another neuron, they will, what to say? They will pass the information. They will send signal that is from one neuron to the another neuron. From the picture itself, also you can see it. All right, and with the help of this, with the help of one neuron to the another neuron, what happens? They are designed, they are made in such a way that when they pass information, you will be able to know the things which will occur or which is occurring in the environment. Is it clear, this sensation receptors, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about the eyes, that is in the sensory system, or else the sensory organs. First, let us discuss about the eyes. So with the help of your eyes, what you are able to do? It's very simple. With the help of your eyes, what you are able to do? Pinkrabian?
See, ma'am.
Yes, with the help of the eyes, you are able to see. Okay. So let us discuss about the eyes. So with the help of the eyes, you are able to sight means what? Means you can view the things which is around you, like vision, right? And with the help of the with the help of the eyes, you are able to see the light, right? Photoreceptors. It is known as the photoreceptors. Means the things, the scenario, the things which is occurring around you all, means in the environment, what is occurring, you are able to grab that thing. All right. And in your eyes, there is a retina. I hope you can see this. So this is the retina. And with the help of this retina, what you are able to do, means this retina, they generate, or else you can say they make electrical nerves. And with the help of that electrical nerves, you can differentiate the colors, whether the color is black, blue, green, and so on. Hues means the difference in the things which you are viewing, and the brightness, whether it's too bright or else whether it's too dark, and so on. So this is about the eyes, in short. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Okay, next is the eyelids. It is not included here, but still we will just we will just touch a part of this, right? Means this portion, we'll just touch about this. Okay, let's see the eyelids. So this is the eyelids. I hope you can see. So the eyelids, where do they lie? Where they are originally. I mean, they are at the anterior side. Anterior means front. All right. Anterior means front. Don't forget that. Posterior means at the back. Okay, so the eyelids, they lie at the front, anteriorly, and they protect the eyes. And where do they meet? They meet at the medial, or else you can say the lateral corner of the eye. Means they lie here, then later on they will meet here. Means in the lateral. Lateral means sideways, or else you can say corner. So they meet here, right? And next is the eyelash. So this is the eyelash. So the eyelash, where do they come out? Means where do they come out from? They come out from the eyelids. So this is the eyelids, no? Means they comes out, means, or else you can say they project out from the eyelids, and they are known as the eyelash. Is it clear? This portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next
Yes,
is conjunctiva, or else conjunctiva. So this portion, this portion is known as the conjunctiva. Means the pinkish color in your eyes. This, if you observe in the mirror, I hope you will be able to see it. So that portion is known as the conjunctiva, or else the conjunctiva. Okay, so this conjunctiva or conjunctiva, it is a delicate membrane. Delicate means what? It is very sensitive. Like if something happens also, like it will hamper. All right. So this is the meaning, conjunctiva. Okay, so this is about the conjunctiva, and it is in the outer surface of the eyeball. Means this portion. Means this is your eyeball, na? So it will lie at the outer surface. Means थोड़ा बाहर में होगा. ये eyeball है ना, तो थोड़ा eyeball के थोड़ा बाहर पे होगा. ये जो कंजंक्टिवा है, जो पिंक कलर का है, हम लोग का आँख में जो है, उसको बोलते हैं कंजंक्टिवा. Is it clear, everyone, about this conjunctiva or conjunctiva?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, no? If I'll ask you some day, I might ask you any day. So, will you be able to point your conjunctiva? Yes? Will you be able?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is the lacrimal glands. So this is the lacrimal glands. So the lacrimal glands, where they are located exactly in between the eyebrows and your eyelids, right? In between your eyebrows and the eyelids, the lacrimal glands are exactly located, means above, at the upper side. Okay, so this lacrimal glands, what is the purpose? What is the purpose of this lacrimal glands? The purpose is that they release salt. Have you ever tasted your tears? Anyone? Or else you feel dirty? I mean, you feel something. Have you ever tasted? Monica, have you ever tasted? Have you ever tasted your tears?
No, ma'am.
Never.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what about others?
Yes, ma'am.
You have tasted snee. Okay, how is the taste? Good.
Salt.
Uh-huh.
Salt, ma'am.
Salt. Means you mean to say salty?
Yeah, salty.
Yes. Yes, of course it will be salty. Why? Because the lacrimal glands, they release salt. Okay, means that is along with the tears. Is it clear? So, this is the reason. And the lacrimal glands, this one, they lies anteriorly. All right, means anteriorly means at the front, means of the eyeball. This one. All right. Is it clear? Through small ducts. So, sorry. So here small ducts are there. With the help of that, like the tears, they roll over or else they come. Is it clear, this lacrimal glands, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is lacrimal canaliculi. So this is the lacrimal canaliculi. I hope you can see, everyone.
Ma'am.
So this is the lacrimal canaliculi. So what is the purpose of this lacrimal canaliculi? The purpose is that whenever tears, which are released by the lacrimal glands, the tears, they will flush, they will come over here. That is in the lacrimal canaliculi. Then after that, where will they go? After that, they will go to the lacrimal sac. I hope you can see this. This is the lacrimal sac. This is the lacrimal canaliculi. All right, this one, this portion, the end portion. And later on, they will come here. Here, that is in the lacrimal sac. Is it clear, everyone, about the lacrimal canaliculi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is the lysozyme. Lysozyme. Lysozyme is the name of an enzyme. All right, which are secreted or else which are produced by the lacrimal glands. And what is the purpose? What is the purpose of this lacrimal? What is the purpose of this lysozyme? Same thing, like the tears that I have said, na? So they destroy the bacteria. Means whatever bacteria is there inside your eyes, whatever bacteria is there inside your eyes, what do? They flush out all the bacteria. All right, means all the dirt, all the dust, whatever is there, they will clean up, they will cleanse, they will clean everything, and later on it will come out in the form of the tears. And they also protect the eyes so that whatever dirt or whatever insects, small insects, they comes, so that it will be easy for it, for the foreign particles, that is the dust, all those particles, whatever are there, like, so that it will be easy for the dust particles or else the foreign particles to come out. They are made in such a way. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is sclera. I hope you can see this. This is a sclera. The white color, no? The white portion. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So this portion is the sclera. So the white. It is made of a connective tissue. About this tissue cells and all, we will discuss in the in the evening class. Afternoon class. I have had one again, in physiology. So we will discuss about this topic. Okay, so the sclera is made up of white connective tissue. And where do they lie? We can see here in the anterior side. In the anterior side means the front side. Is it clear? Means they are thick. They are थोड़ा मोटा है दिखने में. Or glistening. Glistening means what? It is white. It is white. It means that. Is it clear about the sclera?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Sclera is which part of the eye? Is it the black color one or the white color one? Which one? Asim.
White color, ma'am. White
Asim.
color.
Right, ma'am.
Asim, tell me.
White, ma'am.
White. Sure, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next part is the cornea. I hope you can see cornea. This one. The cornea, where do they lie exactly? They lie in the what? Central. In the middle. No? Central means in the middle. In the anterior side. In the anterior side means what? In the front side. Aage mein. And it is crystal clear. Crystal clear means what? Means they are transparent. Means nothing is there. It's very much clear. It's very much clean. You can say like that. All right. So it means that. And the cornea, na, they are a window, means खिड़की के जैसा है. Q. Why? Because whenever light comes, na, they enters directly in the cornea. I mean, when you open your eyes and the light, when they get reflected, na, in your eyes, so they come to the cornea. It enters in the eye, which is in the cornea portion. Is it clear about this cornea, everyone?
Ma'am.
Okay. Next is pupil. I hope you can see this, everyone. Pupil.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is pigmented. This one. Means they are dark in color. Means they are black in color mostly, and they are round. This is the iris. Iris also. I hope you can see this iris.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the iris, and the iris they are covered. The iris they covered the pupil, which is this. And here what happens? Same thing, just like the cornea also, it's the same thing. Means the light they passes through this, that is the pupil. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is the eye reflex. So this is the eye reflex. So in the eye reflex, what will you find? You will find that they occurs in external as well as internal eye muscles. And in the eye reflex, you can see that two eye reflexes are there. All right, two eye reflexes you can find in the eye reflex. And first is the photopupillary reflex. Okay, so first let us discuss about the photopupillary reflex. All right, photopupillary reflex. Okay, so in the photopupillary reflex, what will you find? In the photopupillary reflex, you will find that the eyes, I mean, when they are exposed to the light, suddenly, all of a sudden, what will happen? Your pupil, this black color thing, your pupil, they will constrict, or else you can say contract. It will become smaller in size. All right, means why this thing happens? Why your pupils will get constricted? Is my voice audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh,
Ma'am.
I think Balo, your network is not good. You please change your place where you are staying. Na? You please change it because your other classmates can hear me. Please change your position. Okay, so what I was saying means why this thing will happen. I mean the pupil, why it will get contract, or else the pupil, why the size of the pupil will become small, because they protect the eyes so that it won't get damaged, so that it won't get hamper. As we have already said now that the eyes is very much delicate, it is very much sensitive for the light to trap, or else for the light to recept easily all of a sudden. So that's why the pupil it will become small. All right, means suppose say for example you are in a dark room, and if somebody like suddenly opens the door, or else if suddenly they turn on the light, or else if they open the curtain, so what obviously you will react with that. It's not it, or else you will just, I mean, you won't react at all. Your eyes will obviously react. That is known as reflect. Okay, that is the photopupillary reflex. At that time, what will happen? Your pupil, your pupil, it will contract. I mean, it will become automatically. It will become small in size. All right, and this is about the bright light. I mean, if somebody suddenly opens or something like that. But in the dim light, or means in the dark room, what will happen? Your pupil, it will expand like this. The pupil, it will expand, means it will become larger in size compared to the bright light. Compared to when you are in the bright light, it will become larger in size. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, next is accommodation pupillary reflex. So in the accommodation pupillary reflex, what will you find? Same thing. Here also the pupil, your pupils, it will be constrict, means your pupils, it will become smaller in size. Okay, but in this thing, what will happen? It's not. It doesn't deal with whether you are in the dark room or else in the bright light and so on. Mainly, this accommodation pupillary reflex. What does it mean? It means that, suppose, say for example, you are in the far distance. As you are a student, I'll just give you one example, which is that suppose you are sitting in the last bench and the blackboard or else the whiteboard is a bit far away from you. So the teacher is writing something on the blackboard or else the whiteboard, and you are not able to see it, but you will try to see the thing. I mean, what the teacher is writing or else what the teacher has written in the blackboard or else a whiteboard. So what will you do? You will try to observe clearly. It's not it. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. You will try to observe the things, whatever is written on the whiteboard, very closely. In order to do, I mean, in order to see that, what will you do? You will do something. What is that? Means you will automatically make your eyes smaller. It's not it. Means you will try to observe closely. So for that, what will you do? You will try to focus on that. Understand? And what will happen? And what will happen to that? Same thing here also. Your pupil, it will automatically like become small. That is constriction or else contraction. Is it clear? And after that, what will happen? So that you can have more acute vision. Acute vision means what? More closely, more clearly. Is it clear? This accommodation and photopupillary reflex. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move to the next? If everyone is clear. Okay, Titus, am I audible? Titus? What happened? Are you pretending like your network is bad or else what? What is your problem, Titus? From when I am calling you but no response? Huh? What happened? Amish, am I audible? Amish? Amish? Others, can you hear me? Others? Gayatri and all, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
what
ma'am.
happened to these people? Amish and Titus. If you'll continue like this, means I want this one. I want mark your attendance. Okay, Dibyajit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about accommodation and the photopupillary reflex? What happens? What will happen? Uh-huh. What happens here? क्या होता है यहाँ पे? कुछ तो होता होगा, है कि नहीं?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? क्या होता है?
Accommodation reflex, ma'am.
पहले फोटो बोलो, फोटोपिपुलर रिफ्लेक्स में क्या होता है? हाँ क्या होता है, जल्दी बोलो। प्यूपल का क्या होता है? प्यूपल में कुछ चेंजेस होता है कि नहीं? सो क्या बदलाव होता है प्यूपल पे? हाँ, अरे जस्ट नाउ आई हैव सेड ना, प्यूपल कंस्ट्रिक्शन, कंट्रैक्ट होता है मतलब छोटा होता है। ठीक है दिव्यजीत?
हाँ मैम।
हाँ ये छोटा है कि नहीं? असल में कैसा
हम्म,
था, असल में ऐसा था। ये प्यूपल है, देख रहे हो?
हाँ मैम।
हाँ तो ऐसा होता है, मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, लेकिन जब फोटो प्यूपिल रिफ्लेक्स में क्या होगा, अचानक से अगर वो लाइट आएगा ना, पास होगा तुम्हारा आँख पे, तो अपने आप छोटा हो जाएगा, कंस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएगा, कंट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, समझ में आया?
ओके मैम।
हाँ, डोंट फॉरगेट, जस्ट नाउ आई सेड एंड ओके. Okay, then we will stop here now for today. I mean, for now. In the next class, we will continue with the other parts, the rest portion. Is it clear now, everyone, till here? Or else, do you have any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we will end here. Thank you, everyone.